Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we've got something pretty exciting to talk about, the iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. If you've been on the hunt for a robotic cleaner that can take care of both your floors and your cleaning needs without a lot of fuss, this one might just tick a lot of boxes. So let's jump in and see how well it stacks up. The Roomba Plus 505 is a smart, self-sufficient vacuum and mop combo that's built to handle everything from crumbs to paw prints. First up, let's talk about its power. With 70 times more suction compared to the Roomba 600 series, this model pulls up messes efficiently thanks to its dual clean mop pads and multi-surface rubber brush. And that's not all. It comes with perfect edge technology to enhance cleaning along edges and corners. Essentially, you're getting both deep suction and effective mopping in one unit. This vacuum also boasts Smart Scrub, a system designed to scrub deep into surfaces, lifting up stubborn messes and dirt you might usually miss. The powerful suction combined with these scrubbing features really promises a solid clean for various floor types. Another standout feature is the self-cleaning capability. The Roomba Plus 505 comes with an AutoWash Dock that ensures the mop pads stay clean and ready to go after each use. With 75 days of auto-emptying and continuous pad refreshing, you don't have to worry about frequent maintenance. Plus, the heated drying feature for the pads means you can always count on them to be ready and dry for the next cleaning session, which is a great convenience, especially for larger homes or those with pets. Let's talk about how it actually performs. When it comes to real-world cleaning, the Roomba Plus 505 doesn't just rely on suction. The integrated dual clean mop pads, which extend coverage by 18%, are a big deal. That added reach allows it to mop larger areas more effectively, while the perfect edge design helps with cleaning along walls and corners. On top of that, the Precision Vision AI technology ensures it can identify and avoid obstacles like cords, socks, and even pet waste. Great for those of us who don't want to babysit the cleaning process. But more than just avoiding obstacles, it also detects both wet and dry messes, automatically adjusting its cleaning passes to tackle tough areas. In terms of its usability, it's hard to beat the versatility of this vacuum. You have the option to choose between vacuuming, mopping, or combining both modes. If you've got different floor types, like carpet in the living room and hardwood in the kitchen, the Roomba Plus 505 automatically lifts its mop pads when it detects carpet, seamlessly switching between surfaces without a hitch. The whole process is incredibly intuitive, especially with the new Roomba Home app, which lets you select specific rooms or zones, adjust suction levels, and even repeat cleaning passes in high-traffic areas. Of course, like any tech-heavy device, there are a few things worth considering. While it does a great job avoiding obstacles, its performance can vary a bit depending on your home layout. If you've got a lot of furniture or clutter on the floor, some tight corners might still need a quick manual touch-up. But overall, it handles the bulk of cleaning chores effectively. Noise levels are relatively moderate, certainly quieter than traditional vacuums. But if you're expecting complete silence, it's not a soundless operation. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum isn't the cheapest option on the market, but it's definitely loaded with features that make it a strong contender for anyone who wants a robot vacuum that does more than just sweep. With self-emptying, pad washing, heated drying, and the ability to mop, it offers a premium set of capabilities. For those looking to avoid frequent maintenance and who appreciate a versatile cleaner that works on multiple surfaces, the iRobot Roomba Plus 505 could be a solid investment. If you're considering other options in this category, you might also look at something like the Roborock S7 Max V, which is also known for its impressive navigation and suction power. It's a bit pricier, but it comes with a powerful mapping system and longer battery life. Alternatively, the Ecovacs D-Bot T10 Plus offers similar multi-surface cleaning with some advanced AI features, and it might be a bit more budget-friendly. Now, how does the Roomba Plus 505 stack up in terms of build quality and maintenance? The construction feels solid, with no cheap plastics or wobbly connections. It's built to last, but like most robotic vacuums, regular maintenance is needed to ensure it keeps performing well. Emptying the dustbin, cleaning the mop pads, and clearing any blockages from the brush rolls are simple tasks. And with the AutoWash Dock, the frequency of mopping maintenance is greatly reduced, which is a huge time saver. As for longevity, iRobot has a pretty strong track record for reliability, but it's worth noting that, like all robotic vacuums, the battery will likely degrade over time. This model offers good runtime, but heavy use might see a drop-off in performance after a couple of years, as with most lithium-ion battery-powered vacuums. Customer support from iRobot has been solid in my experience, with a helpful and responsive team available should anything go wrong. They offer a generous warranty, so if something breaks, they're usually quick to help out. Let's wrap things up. The iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a multi-purpose, low-maintenance cleaning solution. It's especially great for people who need both vacuuming and mopping, but don't want to deal with the hassle of constantly cleaning the mop pads or emptying the dustbin. It's perfect for homes with pets, families, and anyone looking to save time. If you have a smaller space or are on a tighter budget, this might be a bit more than you need, but for larger homes or those who need the added mop feature, it's a solid option. So, what do you think? Have you used this vacuum, or are you thinking about giving it a try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye till next time. Don't let your floors get too messy.